Mastering viable governance. Organizational culture makes or breaks operational excellence. Which specific attributes of the organization's culture, such as its values, norms, and management practices, have a significant influence on its ability to achieve operational excellence, and how do these cultural elements either support or hinder the organization's pursuit of efficient, effective, and adaptive operations? The culture of an organization plays a pivotal role in its ability to achieve operational excellence. Several specific attributes of an organization's culture, including its values, norms, and management practices, have a profound influence on its pursuit of efficient, effective, and adaptive operations. Values. The values of an organization shape its culture and influence the behavior of its employees. Organizations that prioritize values such as transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement are more likely to achieve operational excellence. For instance, an organization that values transparency is more likely to encourage open communication, which facilitates the identification and resolution of operational inefficiencies. On the other hand, an organization that values short-term profits over long-term sustainability may prioritize quick fixes over sustainable solutions, hindering its ability to achieve operational excellence. Norms. Organizational norms, or the unwritten rules that govern behavior, also have a significant impact on operational excellence. Norms such as a fear of failure or a reluctance to experiment can stifle innovation and creativity, making it difficult for an organization to adapt to changing circumstances. Conversely, norms that encourage experimentation, learning from failure, and continuous improvement can foster a culture of innovation and experimentation, supporting the pursuit of operational excellence. Management practices. Management practices, such as leadership style, performance measurement, and incentives, can either support or hinder operational excellence. For example, a leadership style that prioritizes collaboration and empowerment can foster a culture of engagement and motivation, encouraging employees to take ownership of operational improvements. On the other hand, a leadership style that prioritizes control and micromanagement can create a culture of fear and disengagement, hindering operational excellence. Operational excellence enablers. Several cultural attributes can enable operational excellence by promoting efficient, effective, and adaptive operations. These include 1. Customer centricity. A customer-centric culture that prioritizes customer needs and expectations can drive operational excellence by encouraging the design of processes that meet customer requirements. 2. Collaboration. A culture that encourages collaboration and cross-functional teamwork can facilitate the identification and resolution of operational inefficiencies, promoting operational excellence. 3. Continuous improvement. A culture that prioritizes continuous improvement and learning can drive operational excellence by encouraging employees to identify and implement process improvements. 4. Accountability. A culture that emphasizes accountability and ownership can promote operational excellence by encouraging employees to take responsibility for operational performance. 5. Data-driven decision-making. A culture that relies on data-driven decision-making can facilitate operational excellence by enabling the identification of areas for improvement and the measurement of process performance. Operational excellence inhibitors. Conversely, certain cultural attributes can hinder operational excellence by promoting inefficiencies, ineffectiveness, and inflexibility. These include 1. Siloed thinking. A culture that encourages siloed thinking and departmentalization can hinder operational excellence by creating barriers to cross-functional collaboration and communication. 2. Risk aversion. A culture that prioritizes risk aversion over innovation and experimentation can stifle creativity and hinder operational excellence. 3. Hierarchical structure. A hierarchical structure that emphasizes control and micromanagement can create a culture of fear and disengagement, hindering operational excellence. 4. Lack of transparency. A culture that lacks transparency and openness can make it difficult to identify operational inefficiencies and implement process improvements. 5. Short-term focus. A culture that prioritizes short-term gains over long-term sustainability can lead to a focus on quick fixes rather than sustainable solutions, hindering operational excellence. In conclusion, an organization's culture, including its values, norms, and management practices, plays a critical role in its ability to achieve operational excellence. Organizations that prioritize values such as transparency, accountability, and continuous improvement, and promote norms and management practices that encourage collaboration, innovation, and customer centricity, are more likely to achieve efficient, effective, and adaptive operations. Conversely, organizations that promote siloed thinking, risk aversion, and hierarchical structures may hinder their pursuit of operational excellence.